How to fix encrypt content to secure data grayed out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this content grayed out on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you are trying to lock a folder or create a password for your folder and you're not able to do so for that you first want to head over to properties, and then once you click on advanced, here as you can see the encrypt content to secure data is grayed out. You can only compress the contents to save disk space. So in this case, what you want to do is first open up your run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R and then search for regedit. To open up your registry editor, you have to make sure that you're logged in as an administrator. So once you do that, the first thing you want to do here is head over to the HK local machine and click on this drop down. Now from here you want to find system, and then from here you want to find the current control set, and then click on controls drop down. And here you want to find file system, so head over to F and then find the file system and click on it. Now here you want to find something called NTFS disable encryption. Double click on it, and if the value data is set to 0, you just want to set it to 1 and then click on OK. And once you do that, you can just close everything out and then restart your PC once. So just close everything out like this, restart your PC, and once you restart, when you try to go ahead and then try to encrypt it again by clicking on properties and then advanced, this should be enabled and you should be able to create a password for your folder or file. The other thing that you can do is, again, open up your run dialog box and then simply search for services.msc and hit enter. Now here you are going to click on one thing and search for encrypting file system EFS, and make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and if it's not, just set it to automatic. Click on apply and then OK, and restart your PC once and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.